In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Klarna spending limit in-store and online. 5 minutes. If you're wondering how much you can spend with Klarna before you head to checkout, Klarna shows an estimated purchasing power right inside your account. This is a quick way to plan your budget and avoid surprises when you pay later or split a purchase. Start by going to klarna.com and logging into your account, and you can do this from a web browser or the Klarna app. The process is the same. Make sure you're using the correct country site and that you complete any two-factor authentication prompts. Once you're in, you're ready to find your available spending information. Next, head to your profile or dashboard. This is usually labeled Wallet or Home. Think of this page as your control center. It collects your payment methods, recent orders, and Klarna cards. You don't need to open a checkout with a specific store to see your limit. Your estimate lives right on this overview screen. Look for a section called Estimated Purchasing Power. This is Klarna's current view of how much you're approved to spend. It isn't a fixed credit line, it's a live estimate based on your recent activity, outstanding orders, and account history. Treat it like a planning guide. It helps you gauge whether a purchase is likely to be approved before you add items to cart, whether you're shopping online or creating an in-store one-time card. Keep in mind this estimate is dynamic and can change depending on the store and the payment option you pick. At checkout, Klarna may run a fresh assessment that considers the retailer, the order total, the plan you choose, like pay in 4, pay in 30, or financing, and your current open balances. That's why you might see a different amount when you generate an in-store card or when you try a higher ticket item online. Paying on time, reducing outstanding balances, and keeping your information up to date generally support a higher estimate over time. That's all there is to it. Log in at Klarna.com, go to your profile or dashboard, find your estimated purchasing power, and remember it can vary by store and payment type. Check it before you shop to set expectations and choose the option that fits your budget. Thanks for watching and happy, responsible shopping.